Hi, this is Carolina from Momjo, and this is my daughter Liv.
Hi!
And today we are doing something special. Liv just turned 10 years old.
Yay!
Which means that we felt like it was time to do a bit of a room makeover. Liv has had the same bedding since she was, what, 3 years old?
Yeah, 3.
Right? And she's grown up, she has a more mature taste, she likes different colors. So we bought new bedding, but I told her that before we put in the new bedding, we're gonna do one very important thing. What are we gonna do?
Show the room?
We're gonna show the room and we're gonna declutter the room. If you're new to Momjo, remember to subscribe to our channel. Press the button right now. We have tons of videos. And if you already like this video and you're excited to see what's gonna happen, give us a thumbs up.
Let's go!
So I'm first gonna give you a look at the room and show you what it looks like right now. It's a gorgeous space, but there is so much going on. Somebody didn't make our bed today.
Oh no.
We got a Barbie house, we have dolls, we have little pictures, a very, very busy night table, hats on the floor,
Oh no.
a teepee with several things hanging from the top,
It's a hotel room!
and several bedding options. And her desk, which is supposed to be used for work, but not a lot of space. So it looks like we have our work cut out for us. We're planning to do this in 2 hours or less. Do you think we can do it?
Yes!
All right, let's start with the night table. Okay, so here we are in this tiny little space. There's so much that she's managed to put into the night table. So we're gonna try to get it out. First of all, do you need the humidifier right now?
No.
Are you sick?
No. Bye-bye, humidifier. How about you wear a hat?
So we're wearing hats to do this because it's a lot more stylish than without.
Yay, I'm a cowboy.
Okay, so what do we have here? Little purse.
Oh.
Do you use this purse?
Hey, look, Nickelodeon Slime City stuff.
Do you use this purse?
Ah.
Talk to me.
I could? Nah.
Okay, we're gonna put it with your purses in your closet. How about that?
Okay.
Okay. Pom-pom. Random lonely pom-pom.
No,
Put
no,
it
no.
on the garbage.
No!
What do you mean?
It's Pinky. It's part of my world.
This is gonna be impossible. This is gonna be impossible, you guys. This we cannot get rid of, and we cannot lose that retainer.
Retainer! That's why my teeth are nice.
She has her little chapstick. You're so cute.
No.
Okay, how about your charity box?
I don't need it because I already have a piggy bank.
I don't hear no coins clinking.
Sorry.
How many creams, old lady creams, do you have?
You have them and you just keep them there.
So things are starting to look a lot nicer. Look at this
Way
night
nicer.
table. Look at the difference.
Ta-da! Yay! It's better. Way better.
Right?
It's my retainer,
There's your
my
diary.
And then here, everything's a lot better.
Okay, let's move on.
Yeah!
This is number 2. And we're literally just gonna tackle the top. Okay, baby, so let's get rid of everything that's here and then we'll organize it, okay? Boom. Go. Go. Go.
I'll
Go.
be fragile with my airplane.
Go. Check these out.
They're UV glasses. They're like, they're glasses for,
Okay, I think I'm gonna keep them on while I do this. It makes me see the world with rose-colored glasses.
This
Somebody put a sticker there.
is nice, but except for the sticker thing.
Ooh.
Tiring.
Now we're gonna make a display versus hide pile, okay? So what do we do that? Do we need to display it?
To display it,
Yeah.
I think.
Do we need to display this? Display?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna make a display pile.
Here. In the middle
Display
of
the
this.
Eiffel Tower?
But this one's not mine.
Okay. Display your own then. All right, so this is the display, that's the hide, okay?
I got it from
Did
another
you steal this from your aunt?
Oh no!
Did you take this from your aunt?
I put it. Oh, I remember
Busted!
that night. I put it in my pocket by accident, and then I brought it
She
here.
stole Toto.
Hey, don't touch that. No, we're not done. We have these 3 items.
Hide.
There we go. That's nice. Perfect out.
Landmarks of the world. Okay, so next up we're gonna do the desk.
The desk.
Because we got it for you to be able to do your homework, for you to do your work. And do you do any of those on your desk?
No, I do it downstairs.
Because it's covered with things. Check it out.
It is covered, but it has a bit of workspace.
Time to declutter.
Dun, 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 dun.
Here we go.
Here we go. Because
This
outside
has
is-
water in it. How long has this
Wait,
water
what?
been in here for? Oh, she actually has a charity box with coins in it. That's really sweet. Okay, my girls, so we're making some serious progress.
Yup.
Look at that desk. And now we have to tackle this.
Oh no.
Are we keeping it? Are we getting rid of it? It takes up half your room.
But it's fine. Seriously.
Well, let's start with all the decoration at the top,
Oh,
and then we can decide, okay?
Okay. Hey, those are mine.
She's the master of disguise. She has like costumes literally all over the room.
Like, I also have all these headbands.
Oh, put it on.
This one's from my
Yeah!
favorite birthday.
Ta-da, we're done!
It's raining!
Okay, this corner of your room gives me a little bit of anxiety.
Hmm.
There's so much stuff. There's stuffed animals, there's dolls, there's a Barbie house wide open, there's costumes mixed in. I feel like we're gonna have to declutter this, baby girl.
Aww.
Where do you think we could put your dolls?
My favorite doll.
Like how many
She looks like me because she has the
dolls
same hair as me.
do we need?
I used the whole thing yesterday. That's why my room is a mess.
Oh, this is good doll storage.
I told you. I
That's
told
amazing.
you. That's why you
Popping
get
all of
gifts.
them in there. Popping them all in
What
there.
about this one?
Let's put her in there too.
She's more important.
Do you still use your little Fisher Price basket?
That is not mine.
Okay, let's
That's my
take it out of here.
brother's. Oh my god, we found a dead ladybug, guys.
Yeah, there's even dead stuff coming out of here.
It's very late, so we're gonna have to stop the video for now, but we're gonna come back to you tomorrow.
In the meantime, we're going to show you very
Yay.
quickly the progress so far.
Hi guys, it's another beautiful day, and we're gonna keep going with our project.
Yes, we slept, we rested, we got dressed out of our pajamas, and we are ready to continue Liv's room purge and makeover.
I still like the time. Yeah, this one's naked.
What happened to Ariel?
I don't know.
What happened to Ariel? She needs a hairdresser ASAP. Stacked. So how about we find a really nice place in your closet for them?
Don't show them private.
I'm covering her up. Okay, let's check them out of here. Stuffed animals are literally my kryptonite. I have 2 girls, which means that my house is flooded by stuffies. The funny thing about them is that they don't play with them. They don't do anything with them. They just sit there and they look cute and they just take up space. So we're gonna purge. We're gonna put them somewhere else. We're gonna give some away. We're just gonna like clean up that chair in that corner because
Maybe
stuffed
for a
animals,
giveaway.
out. You're 10. I mean, a few and that's it.
Wow.
Okay, my girl, let's do this. Are you sad? Just a little bit sad? A little
it's
bit
fine.
excited?
Yeah.
Good,
Both.
good. Okay, so take this to your sister's room because this does. Ah, wait, one more.
Or not.
This are your sister's pillows.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I'm back!
I think you're excited now.
Oh no, not my Halloween dress.
My daughter has a dark side.
Stop! This, you call this a hair accessory?
That is a hair accessory.
You call this a hair accessory?
It's a very 2002 hair accessory. Or 1998. Bye-bye! Look at all the space you have now.
Like, it took up like about this.
One feature that we loved about Liv's furniture set is that you can actually exchange these color panels. It brought 4 colors. It brought green, blue, pink, and just the typical beige. And we used to have a pink-based room, no longer. So I'm just gonna try to flip this over and see what color is on the other side. So it looks like the other side of the board was blue, which means that we have the white one downstairs. We're gonna send Papi over to the basement and look for them. Why are you sitting there?
Because I miss having the rest of everything here instead of being put away. But there's a good side to it.
What?
Because now my room is clean and I have way more space to dance or do anything I want.
So this is what we're going to be switching out the old bedding for. We have this gorgeous Pottery Barn teen bedding set. And we have 2 brand new Endy pillows. Because your pillows are flat and tired. And I feel like you might be able to use a little bit of
New comfort zone. My beautiful bed.
Okay, enjoy lying down on your old bedding one more time. You don't need to wear your pajamas.
I know.
The same bedding that you've been using since you were 3 years old.
Yeah.
Your princess sheets.
I don't like princesses no more.
All right, let's strip your bed, girl.
Yay!
Let's move the stuffies aside temporarily.
Woo. Bye-bye.
All right.
Let's start.
Out with the old, in with the
New!
It's time for the new bedding.
Yay!
Let's do it. Just gonna take out this Endy pillow. Brand new pillows, babe. Woo!
Yay!
Look at that beauty.
Amazing!
Give it a hug.
Ah,
How does that feel?
it's awesome.
So my baby girl,
I think the result is very good. And this,
we need to iron it, and we probably need to get slightly fluffier pillows. What do you think of that one?
yeah, that's true too. But this is nice, velvet.
Okay, one more little switch was the actual lampshade. We had something turquoise before. We went for something more minimalistic.
So let's press this button.
Boom.
That's pretty cool.
Gorgeous. Okay, baby, are you ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
I cannot believe how grown up and transformed your room looks. I hope you're happy with it.
I will.
It was a lot of work,
Yep.
but it's amazing what a little bit of a refresh and some cleaning up and decluttering can really do for a space. So let's show it off.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've come to the end of our video, and how are you feeling? I mean, looking around at your bedroom.
I feel like this place is like a new hotel room. It's so clean.
I am so happy to hear, and I love the results. I can't wait to spruce it up and bring on new accessories, new things, maybe a little more artwork to make it look beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. If you're new to Momjo and you want to subscribe to our community to keep up with our latest videos, press the subscribe button right now. If you liked this room, Let us know what your comments are. And if you have any ideas for us to continue to improve this space, we'd love to know it in the comments below. Thank you to Endy for the amazing pillows. They are super adjustable. You can remove foam and add foam to make them more comfortable. So you're going to try them out tonight and see how it goes.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for watching. This is Carolina from Momjo. This is my daughter, Liv. We'll see you next time.
Bye.